This is my bicycle jack. You know, it's a bike. It's a normal bike, and that's the end of the bicycle jack. Oh, no. But all seriousness, we're trying to do a legit bike jack. Okay, this is a Sunday. I don't know how to say the name, but I have a fit seat, and then I just lost it. Okay, Evoque sprocket, KMC chain, Mission back rim and hub. I forgot what that was for a second there. 2 Colt back pegs, 2 Shadow Conspiracy front pegs. I felt special ed for a second there. Fit bars, Sunday free stem, Sunday crank arms, and E-clap pedals, and some kink tire. I don't know what it is. And then my front rim is a Black Sheep laced to a Mission. Yeah, that's my bicycle. I have Zodiac whips too, because I'm cool.